Okay, I guess I'll take you guys for a walk first. What you guys doing down there? What do you see? Gerta ma Gerta. What are you seeing? What's this snowstorm covering up? Both of you are very curious. Why? What is it? What are you seeing? I don't know. Something under there? What is it, Gert? Whatever it is, you'll find it, won't you? I thought there was a little bit of food or something that my tenants had thrown down there. Is that what you smell, Bombalina, Bombalina? Something's got you curious. What do you think? That's it for the adventure. Well, I guess I am not going to have to work on this. I pulled them all off on the other side, down by the driveway. What a job. This is going to be the big job. I don't know what these are. If anybody has an idea, when they're dry, they're kind of like bamboo, and they're beautiful when they're in bloom. They're, oh gosh, about 8 feet high. And then they die off every winter, and if I don't take them, if I don't throw the branches into the forest, they just look awful. And I haven't done it for a couple of years, so it's kind of a mess here. Oh, snow's kind of deep on this side. That's so funny. It's all going to be gone in a few days, if not one day. I don't know. Bird. Now, does this look a little bit out of place? Why do we have a hammock out here, Bumby? Doesn't look right. Oh gosh, and where's your swimming pool? I don't know if I brought your pool in, Gerd. May have frozen. Okay. Just thinking. Snow's bright. Oops. Shall we go in there? Yeah. Oh, I forgot to get your sweater or your coat, Gerd. Nice and quiet. I wonder how many people will be going to church this morning. It's Easter Sunday. Oh, fingers getting frozen. Where are you? Right behind me, huh? Okay, I gotta shut this off. My hand's too cold. Okay, Bumby? Are you walking in my path? Good. Bumby, let's go.